really like the 小红车. I do think if I had enough time and resources, I would love to do like a mini documentary about how the city government orchestrated getting that project initiated and brought up to where it is today. Because it is the largest public bike system in the world. So it's very impressive.
Where I'm gonna introduce the local food and maybe show the West Lake, which is a very famous place in Hangzhou, and also to highlight the both side, the traditional one and the innovation one.
我们留学生要讲好中国故事，讲好杭州故事。那么怎么样来讲好这个故事呢？可能的确是需要这种培训来引导他们，尤其他们现在就是感触到日常生活很多，但怎么提炼、怎么讲故事，我们能通过这个培训能够达到这个目的。我觉得这是一个非常好的一个平台，而且它是符合我们杭州的一个数字化的这么一个城市的特征啊。那么对留学生来说，对他们在杭州生活对在杭州学习在杭州的体验都是非常便利的。